Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you've seen a few of my last videos, I've been hunting on OfferUp and Craigslist. I got the cold air intake, CNL intake for $80. It's normally, I think, almost about $200 or some odd dollars. I got the rims on my car, which are the XXR. I can't remember the model, but it's an XXR. I got them for 150 bucks. Tires were pretty good. I replaced the two rear tires just because they were a little bit old. The guy said they've been sitting for a couple of years. But $150 for 20-inch rims, 8.5 in the front, 10-inch in the back. And then I got my tuner, the Bama tuner for, what's that? I think I paid $100 for that, 150, I can't remember. Something of that nature. So now I'm on my way. I'm in California visiting my parents. I live in Nevada. So I hopped up on OfferUp, and this guy's selling some SLP Loudmouth mufflers for $200. Brand new. They're $374 on like LMR, American Muscle. So I figure with taxes, it'd be probably somewhere right around $400. So that's a $200 savings. Now this guy did powder coat them black, so I'm hoping they don't look crappy. If not, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that all cleaned up, or maybe I'll just re-powder coat them. But yeah, another day of trying to get my parts for cheaper. I think he may have some other parts also that I saw on his, you know how you can check and see what else they're selling. So I brought a little extra money. I'm not going to tell him how much, but see if I can get some good prices, some other things there. I think he has a throttle body spacer, which I heard does pretty good on these cars. My cousin's got a 2019 GT that he put the throttle body spacer on his, and said he feels a noticeable difference in the throttle response. So if I can get it for cheap, maybe I'll do that. But just wanted to give an update while I'm driving. I got about a 45-minute drive, so I'm gonna go do the deal, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I get. Hey, what's up, guys? So just picked up the SLPs. I'm driving, so I'm gonna show you real quick while I'm at the stop sign. As you can see there, got them both. They're powder coated black. They're actually in better condition than I originally thought, right? So let me give you a tip though, all right? So if you have the ability, anytime you're going to buy something off of OfferUp or Craigslist or anything like that, in your car, so like you've seen my car, if you've seen my videos, you know, I got the hood, I got the front bumper, I got the rims, now I'm gonna have the exhaust. I'm saying all of that to say, if you look at a guy, what he's selling, and it's a possibility that that guy might be a car guy, don't just take, you know, your family car, don't take the minivan, take that car. And the reason why is I always get good deals, or you learn things about your car, you know, when you're buying aftermarket. So I just spent probably 30 minutes talking to this guy, super Mustang guy. Used to have the same body style that I have. He now has a 2014 Mustang. That's why he's getting rid of his stuff. He actually has some shorty headers that I might come back and get when I get some extra money, but I'm not sure if I want shorty or long tubes. But this all to be said, when I'm at a stoplight right now, so by talking to him, slow down. By talking to him and him figuring out I'm a real car guy, I love the Mustangs, he had a throttle body spacer, right? Throttle body spacer that, it's a Steeda. Let me see if I can show you that. Steeda, right? So I paid $200 for the SLP Loudmouths, right? And then he gave me the throttle body spacer for free. He was originally selling it for $60, but if you have a good personality, you really love your car, you show the guy that's selling parts, and he may have other parts. So when I pulled up to his house, he came out of his house with the mufflers in hand. So there was no reason for him to open up his no reason for him to open up his garage. But he saw my car. He said, hey, that's a good looking car. Hey, I have some other stuff that you might like. Opened up the garage. The guy had tons of extra parts. A lot of stuff that I didn't need. A lot of stuff that I wanted, but I didn't have the money for. But by talking to him, you know, and him just being a cool dude, he gave me, you know, this for free. So, boom, that's, you know, I didn't want to pay $250 for this. I was trying to talk him, or I didn't want to pay $200 for this. I was, the mufflers, I was trying to talk him down. But by going ahead and being cool with that, talking to him, I was able to get something else for free. So really, if this is really truly $100, it's used. Let's say that it's $50. So I really only paid $150 for the mufflers. You know what I'm saying? So, and I probably might go back and buy those long tubes, short tubes, excuse me, shorty headers. But he wants about $300 for them. So we'll see on that. But great deal, great guy. Told me I need to be running 305s on my rears. I'm not, so I need to go ahead and upgrade. I've already told you I don't like my tires, so I'm definitely going to upgrade those tires. So he said I should be running the 305 Nittos on there. I took some pictures of his old tires that he had, and 245s up front, which I think I'm already running 245s up front. But great deal, great offer up fine. So if we're keeping count, I got a great deal on a pressure washer, cold air intake, muffler, throttle body spacer. What else did I buy offer up? The tuner. What else did I get? Oh, the wheels. You know, so, you know, if you're tight on the budget, man, and you're trying to get your car up and going, you know, just hustle. I've been looking for mufflers for probably, when I crashed, my car was crashed in December. So I knew I was going to start upgrading. So I've been looking for the last 6 months. I missed out on 2 mufflers. By the time I hit the guys up, they were already sold. So 6 months, you know, it's not a rush for me. You know what I mean? I wanted them, but I didn't want to spend $400. So I just wait and keep hustling and keep trying to find them. And I got a great deal, and I actually got a free part from it. So don't be afraid to wait and just keep hustling. Don't be afraid to, if you see somebody saying they want 250, you know, say, hey, I got 150 for it, and see, you know, when it comes back. You know, I got $50 off of his original price plus a free part. You know what I mean? So I'll do a video on installing these, the difference in the sound, and my car has. The reason why I need the headers is because there's a ticking noise. It's obviously an exhaust leak coming from the stock manifolds. So those got to come off soon. He has some JBA, JAB, something like that. Shorty headers, which are nice. I might get them. I'm not even going to lie to you. I might get them. The reason why I might go shorty is because I still need to smog this car. Currently, this is my daily. So when you go long tubes, you know, you're going to go with a different mid pipe, and, you know, either go off-road mid pipe, or if you go with a catted mid pipe, it's going to be a lot more expensive. So these are things that I got to think about. So that is the video. I'm driving, and it's probably not the safest thing to do while driving, talking and making videos. So I am going to see you guys later. But great find. Just had to drive 45 minutes, but come on, man. You gotta look for the deals, man. Very excited, and the car's gonna sound good. See you later.